Hello everyone, my name is Simran and I am going to teach you mathematics. Students, in the last class we have already completed the examples of the exercise number 11.2 and today we will be doing the questions of the exercise 11.2. In this particular exercise, students will be doing the question based upon the triangles area, the parallelograms area. Okay, so let's start the exercise with the question number 1. What is this question, students? Find the area of each of the following parallelograms. So students, you need to find out the area of the parallelogram, right? So here comes the first parallelogram, students. This is the parallelogram, this is the base and this is your height. So what is the formula of the area of the parallelogram? That is equals to base into height. So students, area of parallelogram is equals to base into height. This is the formula, you need to learn it. Okay, what is the base, students? This is 7. And what is the height, students? This is your height, this is 4. So 7 into 4 is equals to 28 centimeter square. Why centimeter square, students? Because we all know that the area is concerned with the unit square. Okay, जो भी हमें यूनिट दे रखी होती है उसका स्क्वायर करके ही उसका एरिया का यूनिट आता है. Alright students, looking at the second part, what is the second part, students? Second part is, what is the area of the each of the following parallelogram? This is the base, that is your 5, and this is the height, that is your 3 centimeter. Okay, so area of parallelogram, students, remember this thing that whenever you are doing the questions, you need to write the formula or else you will not get the marks. Okay, so area of parallelogram is equals to base into height. What is base here, students? The base is 5. What is the height? This is 3. So 5 into 3 is equals to 15 centimeter square. Okay, this is the area of the parallelogram, that is 15 centimeter square. Alright, looking at the next question, students, what is that? Find the area of each of the following parallelogram. This is 2.5 and this is 3.5. So the area of parallelogram, is equals to base into height, that is equals to base is 2.5 and height is 3.5. Alright students, remove the decimals, over 10 it is. So students, 25 into 35 upon 10 into 10, right? So students, 25 multiplied by 35 is equals to 125 into 75, right? So this is 875 over 10 into 10, 100. So 875 over 100 is 8.75 centimeter square. This is the area of the parallelogram. Alright students, looking at the next question, what is that? The part D. This is your height and this is your base. Okay, so area of parallelogram is equals to area of parallelogram is equals to base into height, that is base is equals to 5 and height is equals to 4.8, right? So this is over 10. On the table of 5, 5 into 2 is equals to 10. And on the table of 2, 48 is equals to 24. Okay, 2 into 24 is equals to 48. Okay, so students, the answer is 24 centimeter square. This is the area of the parallelogram. Okay students, looking at the next question, what is that? The part E, this is the base and this is the height. Okay, so area of parallelogram is equals to area of parallelogram is equals to base into height. What is the base? Base is 2, height is 4.4. This is 8.8 centimeter square. Okay, this is the area of the parallelogram. Looking at the next question, students, the part A of the second question. Find the area of each of the following triangle. Now you need to find out the area of the triangle. What is the formula for the area of triangle, students? Half into base into height. And this is the formula for finding out the area of the triangle. Okay, so students, what is the area of the triangle? Half into base into height. In this particular question, students, we have the base is equals to 4 and we have the height is equals to 3. Okay. So students, area of triangle is equals to half into base into height. Half into base, what is the base? That is 4, and what is the height? That is 3. So on the table of 2 it is 2 into 2 is equals to 4. So 2 into 3 is equals to 6 centimeter square. Okay. And this is the area of the triangle. Looking at the next question, students, the part 2. Here students, we need to find out the area of the triangle, right? You have this as the height and you have this 5 as the base. Okay. So area of triangle is equals to half into base into height. Base is equals to 5 students and height is equals to 3.2. On the table of 2 students, 3.2 will cut out and it will be 1.6. 1.6 into 5 is equals to 8 centimeter square. This is the area of the triangle. Okay. Looking at the next question, students, the part C, this is the triangle and you need to find out the area of the triangle, right? This is also equal to 1 into base and 1 upon 2 into base into height. Okay. So area of triangle is equals to half into base into height. Half into base, that is 3, and height is equals to 4. So this is 2. 3 into 2, that is 6 centimeter square. This is the triangle's area. Looking at the next question, students, the question D. You need to find out the area of the triangle. This is the height and this is the base, right students? So area of triangle is equals to half into base into height. That is half into, what is the base? That is 3. What is the height? That is 2. 1, 2 and another 2 will cancel out each other. And students, this 3 will be left. That is your area of the triangle. 3 centimeter square. Right? This is the answer, students. Looking at the next question. Find the missing values. You have to find out the missing values of this particular table. Have a look. These are the serial number, these are base given to you, it is the height given to you, and these are the area of the parallelogram, right? In the first part, students, you're not given the value of the height, but you are given the base and the area. Okay, that is area of the parallelogram. Now you need to find out the height. So firstly, students, in the first part, area of parallelogram is equals to base into height, right students? तो अगर फर्स्ट पार्ट में, दैट इज पार्ट ए में हमें एरिया पता है, दैट इज 246, विच इज इक्वल्स टू बेस पता है 20, हाइट नहीं पता, तो इट विल बी इनटू एच, राइट? 246 is equals to 20 into h. You need to find out this h. So keep this h as it is and take this 20 from the right hand side to the left hand side. So this is 246 upon 20. So students, this is h is equals to, firstly we'll divide it by the on the table of 20. So it will be, students, 12.3. 12.3. All right students, this is 12.3 centimeters. Okay, and this is your h, and this h is the value of here 12.3 centimeters. Okay, you can also check the answer whatever you have find it out with this base into height. So it will be like that only, which is 642. Okay, have a look. This is your area of the parallelogram. So it means that we have done the correct thing. Okay, now students, we need to find out the B part. Okay, in the part B, students, have a look. We know the area of the parallelogram, we also know the height, but we don't know about the base. Okay, so we need to find out the base. So here students, the area of parallelogram is equals to 154.5 is equals to base, we don't know, area is 15. Okay, like this. We need to find the base. it is in the multiplication, so if I take it from right hand side to the left hand side, it will go to the division part. Okay, so 154.5 divided by 15, right? So this b is equals to 1545. अब डेसिमल हटाने के बाद यहाँ पे 10 आ जाता है, यहाँ पे multiply into 1/15, right? We can do this thing. Now students, on the table of 103, it will cancel out. 15 into 103 is equals to 1545. Okay, so now students, b is equals to 103 upon 10, that is equals to 10.3, where base is equals to 10.3 centimeters. Okay, this is the value of the base, 10.3 centimeters. All right students, and this is the missing part of this second serial number. Okay, now students will be doing the question for the C part. C part students, we don't know the base, but we know the area of the parallelogram as well as the height. So students, 48.72 is equals to base into 8.4. We know this, now we need to find out this b. This b is equals to 48.72 divided by 8.4, right? So students, 48.72 divided by 8.4, we just remove the decimals, it is 100 divided by 84 upon 10, right? When we'll replace this division from the multiplication, it will turn out to be 10 upon 84, right? It will reciprocate into 10 upon 84, right students? 0 and 0 will cancel out each other. Now have a look students, this is 4872 divided by 84, right? On the table of 2 students, it will be 42, right? On the table of 2, it will be 2436. Again on the table of 2, it is 21, and this is 1218, right? Now students, have a look, on the table of 3, it is 7, and on the table of 3, it is 406. Now students, on the table of 7, it is 58. Okay, so students, 58 upon this 10, which is 5.8. So students, when you will solve this calculation, you will get the value of the base as 5.8 centimeter. Okay, I'll again show you this thing, then you can also do such thing with the help of the division part. Have a look how. Base is equals to 4872 divided by 100. Now अब हमने डिवाइड को मल्टीप्लाई में चेंज किया है, दोबारा करके दिखा रही हूँ मैं आपको. 84 अपॉन 10 ये रेसिप्रोकेट हो जाता है, ठीक है. पहले तो मैंने आपको कैलकुलेशन से दिखाया, अब हम देखिए कैसे कर सकते हैं. 0 से 0 कट गया, ठीक है. अब विल डिवाइड दिस 4872 फ्रॉम दिस 84. ओके, 4872 फ्रॉम दिस 84. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, 84 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5 इज इक्वल्स टू 420, राइट. 420 क्या बचा स्टूडेंट्स? 67, 672. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, 84 इंटू 8 इज इक्वल्स टू दिस थिंग. ओके, तो जब हम डिवाइड करेंगे तब भी हम देखेंगे कि ये दोनों कौन से टेबल पे कटेंगे? 58 पे, ठीक है. तो वही तो हमने पहले किया था विदाउट डिवाइड किए, ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स. सो दिस इज b is equals to 58 upon 10, that is equals to 5.8 centimeters. Okay, and इसी के साथ आपका जो मिसिंग पार्ट है वो हमने निकाल दिया, that is your base is equals to 5.8 centimeters. Alright students, अब हम देखेंगे एरिया ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम. अगर हमें बेस पता है बट हाइट नहीं पता, ठीक है. एरिया ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम इज इक्वल्स टू 16.38. we know the base, that is 15.6, but we don't know the height. Okay, height नहीं पता हमें. हाइट को यहाँ रखेंगे, 16.38 divided by 15.6, right? this height is equals to 16. पॉइंट को रिमूव करके 100 आया, ठीक है. डिवाइडेड बाय 15.6, पॉइंट को रिमूव करके फिर से 0 आया. अब डिवाइड को किस में चेंज करेंगे स्टूडेंट्स? हम मल्टीप्लिकेशन में और रेसिप्रोकेट करेंगे. 10 upon 156, 0 will be cancelled out from this 0. This is 1638 upon 156 into 1 upon 10, right? अब ध्यान दीजिए 156. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स 1 की टेबल पे 156 डाला हमने. व्हाट इज दैट? ध्यान दीजिए 4 और 7 78, राइट. अब हमने डेसिमल लगाना है, यहाँ 0 लगाएंगे. अब ये देखिए कौन से टेबल पे जाएगा, ये 5 के टेबल पे काट के देखते हैं हम इसको. 2 7, देखिए 1.5 के टेबल पे ये खुद ही कैंसिल हो रहा है, ठीक है. 1.5 मतलब ये जो आ रहा है इसका वैल्यू क्या है, 1.5 ओवर 10. ओके, अब 1.5 ओवर 10 का मतलब हुआ स्टूडेंट्स 0.15. ओके, 0.15 सेंटीमीटर. दिस इज योर height. Okay, and this is the answer to this question, that is the part 4. Okay, so students, in this particular third question we have finded out the missing values of this particular table. All right students, looking at the next question, that is question number 4. What is that? Fourth question students, find the missing values. तो हमें यहाँ पे बेस पता है, हाइट नहीं पता, एरिया पता है. बेस नहीं पता, हाइट पता है, एरिया पता है. बेस पता है, हाइट नहीं पता, एरिया पता है. तो हमें मिसिंग वैल्यूज को फाइंड करना है. सो फर्स्टली स्टूडेंट्स, फर्स्ट पार्ट क्या है, वी नो एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल. क्या होता है स्टूडेंट्स, एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल हाफ इंटू बेस इंटू हाइट, राइट. हाफ इंटू बेस इंटू हाइट होता है. एरिया क्या गिवन है फर्स्ट केस में, 87. 87 इज इक्वल्स टू हाफ इंटू बेस कितना है 15. हाइट हमें नहीं पता, हाइट ही निकालना है. तो हाइट निकालने के लिए क्या करेंगे स्टूडेंट्स, 87 इंटू 2 अपॉन 15. क्यों किया हमने ये यहाँ पे डिवाइड में था तो राइट हैंड लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में जाके ये मल्टीप्लाई में हो गया, और यहाँ ये मल्टीप्लाई में है तो ये लेफ्ट हैंड साइड जाके डिवाइड में हो गया. ऑलराइट, तो हाइट का वैल्यू क्या आएगा स्टूडेंट्स, 87 इंटू 2 अपॉन 15. 87 इंटू 2 कितना हुआ स्टूडेंट्स, 174 अपॉन 15. ठीक है, आप सॉल्व करेंगे पता लगेगा क्या है. ठीक है, 15 इंटू 1 जार 15, 24, देन अगेन 1 विच इज 15 अगेन, राइट. सो अब कितना आया स्टूडेंट्स, 90.6. सो इसका हाइट कितना आ रहा है स्टूडेंट्स, हाइट इज इक्वल्स टू 11.6 सेंटीमीटर्स. ठीक है, और मिसिंग वैल्यू क्या आ रहा है हमारे यहाँ पे बताइए, 11.6 सेंटीमीटर्स, राइट. इसी के साथ हमारा फर्स्ट मिसिंग प्लेस आ गया है. अब देखते हैं कि हमारे सेकेंड वाले मिसिंग प्लेस का क्या वैल्यू आता है. ठीक है, सिमिलरली स्टूडेंट्स, एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल क्या आता है, एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल दिस इज हाफ इंटू बेस इंटू हाइट, राइट. एरिया कितना गिवन है स्टूडेंट्स, 1256 millimeter square, which is equal to half into base, we don't know but we know the height 31.4, right. तो अगर हमें बेस निकालना है स्टूडेंट्स तो what will do, 1256 into 2, क्योंकि ये डिवाइड में है तो ये उधर जाके मल्टीप्लाई में हो जाएगा, और यहाँ पे ये मल्टीप्लाई में है तो ये इधर जाके डिवाइड हो जाएगा. पॉइंट हटाएंगे, यहाँ पे 10 आ गया. ठीक है, अब 2 के टेबल पे 314 किस पे कट हुआ, 157 पे. अब ध्यान दीजिए 157 इंटू 8 किसके इक्वल होता है, 8 इंटू 7 56, 8 इंटू 5 40, 40 प्लस 5 कितना हुआ 45. ठीक है, 4 कैरी, 8 इंटू 1 8, 8 इंटू 4 8 प्लस 4 12. तो ये किस पे कटेगा, 8 पे. तो बेस कितना है स्टूडेंट्स, 8 इंटू 10 दैट इज 80. 80 कितना मिलीमीटर्स. सो दिस इज योर बेस स्टूडेंट्स. क्या वैल्यू आया बेस का, योर बेस इज इक्वल्स टू 88 मिलीमीटर, राइट स्टूडेंट्स. सेकेंड मिसिंग प्लेस हमें पता लग गया. नाउ हैव अ लुक एट द थर्ड पार्ट स्टूडेंट्स. दिस इज 88 millimeter, right. Now we know the base, we don't know the height, we know the area. Area कितना है students, 170.5, that is equals to half into 22 into height. हाफ इंटू 22 11 पे कट हुआ. ठीक है, 2 के टेबल पे 22 11 पे आता है, तो 11 इंटू हाइट इज इक्वल्स टू 170.5. So height is equals to 170.5 upon 11. So this is 110, right. अब देखिए 170. So students 1705 और यहाँ पे क्या आएगा 110, right students? So 17 into 110 into 1 is equals to this 60 and 0. अब ये कौन से टेबल पे जाएगा? 5 की टेबल पे. फिर 550 कितना आंसर आएगा? यहाँ पे 5 और यहाँ कितना बचा स्टूडेंट्स? अगेन 5, राइट? अब यहाँ पे पॉइंट लगाएंगे, यहाँ 0 लगाएंगे, अगेन 550. दिस इज कट. ऑलराइट स्टूडेंट्स, तो इसका वैल्यू क्या आएगा? 15.5 सेंटीमीटर्स, राइट? So this is 15.5 centimeters, and this is all about this question. Find the missing value, students. So today we are completed with this particular portion. In the next class, students will be going to do the next exercise questions and examples. All right, students. Have a nice day to all of you. Bye bye.